We know what hot is, but what is heat? Well, heat involves both energy and motion. A floor burn is a painful example of how motion produces heat, and it takes energy to produce motion. Every substance is made up of tiny particles, atoms, ions, or molecules, which are always in motion. In liquids and gases, these particles move rapidly. In solids, they are bound together, but they still move. The more rapidly particles move in a substance, the hotter it is. The slower the particles move, the colder the substance is. So heat is really a form of motion, or kinetic energy, and the faster the particles in an object move, the more kinetic energy it has. This process is called heat transfer, and heat energy can be transferred in 3 ways. Ice melts in your hand because heat is being transferred by conduction. With conduction, heat energy is transferred through solids, liquids, or gases, or from one substance to another, by the direct contact of fast-moving molecules with slow-moving molecules, causing the slower molecules to move faster. Another means of heat transfer is called convection. Heat energy is transferred through liquids and gases by convection currents. Birds and hot air balloon pilots depend on convection currents to stay aloft. The air inside hot air balloons is heated by propane burners. Because warm air is less dense, it rises in the balloon. At the same time, cooler, denser air sinks, completing the convection current. Since the air inside the balloon is warmer than the air surrounding it, the balloon rises. But balloonists also have to contend with thermals, natural convection currents that form in places that absorb more heat energy from the sun, like blacktop parking lots and plowed fields. When caught in thermals, balloons rise rapidly, and their passengers have little choice but to ride them out. The third method of heat transfer is radiation, which transfers heat energy through empty space. Heat from the sun reaches the earth in the form of invisible light, called infrared radiation. Can you think of a practical application of heat transfer by radiation?